Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put dy dx go to the right, this one will go to the left, and they will be like this. So this one divided by this one, s divided by y squared minus 4. So we have like this. Now I will put this one go to the right. And now I need to arrange. Should be like this. Now we have s, and first derivative of s we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s, mu y. That should be about e to the power of the integration of, we see that 1 over y squared minus 4. This is about integrating factor in here. Now, about y squared minus 4, we can put into y minus 2 multiplied by y plus 2. And now, about number 1, I can put number 2 on number 4 on numerator and denominator. Because I want to create about the factor divided by y minus 2 and y plus 2. So about number 4, we have 2 plus 2. Next, I will put y in here. Let's say that we need to minus about y. So this one I can put into the factor. So we have y minus 2. So y minus 2 divided by y minus 2, y plus 2 divided by y plus 2. So in this one, we will have about 1 over y minus 2 minus 1 over y plus 2. The integration of 1 over y minus 2, we will have about ln of the absolute value of y minus 2 minus ln of the absolute value of y plus 2. And now we can put 1 over 4 go inside about ln in here. And we can cancel about the absolute value in here. Now, about this one, e to the power of ln of y minus 2 to the power of 1 over 4, we can put like this. So because this is about the negative, so they will go to the denominator. So you have y plus 2 to the power of 1 over 4. Now we go back in here. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. This one, that is about y plus 2 to the power of 1 over 4. Now we simplify on numerator and denominator, so we got this one in here. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So I will put about first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So the integration of this one, you got about uv. Now if we apply the formula from here, you got about this one multiplied by s. The integration of this one, we have y minus 2 to the power of 1 over 4 plus 1 over 1 over 4 plus 1, and we put about c. This one we have 5 over 4. This one we have 5 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.